Welcome to this video on understanding the components of a digital strategy. After watching this video, you'll be able to define the key building blocks of a digital strategy, understand the importance of setting clear objectives, and learn how to analyze your audience effectively. You will also explore how to select the right digital channels, leverage data and analytics, allocate resources, and continuously optimize your strategy for success. Imagine you're launching a new product. You have a fantastic idea, but how do you ensure it reaches the right people and drives results? Should you focus on social media, SEO, or paid ads? Creating a successful digital strategy isn't just about choosing the right channels, it's about building a well-structured, adaptable plan. Let's dive into the core components that make this possible. A strong digital strategy relies on three key pillars: foundation, alignment, and execution. The foundation pillar involves identifying who you want to target and defining your objectives. Alignment ensures your digital efforts integrate seamlessly with your broader business goals. Execution focuses on actionable, measurable components that drive results. Think of it like constructing a building. Without a strong foundation and a clear blueprint, the structure won't hold. For example, a software company builds a digital plan without setting a clear objective or defining whether to use LinkedIn or Instagram, or even how success will be measured, is doomed to failure. Each digital strategy starts with setting clear, measurable, and achievable objectives. These goals should follow the SMART framework. Specific goals define exactly what you want to achieve. Measurable goals ensure you can track success. Achievable goals set realistic targets. Relevant goals align with your business's purpose. And time-bound goals have a defined start and end date to maintain focus and urgency. Knowing your audience is crucial to creating effective personalized campaigns. Developing audience personas helps tailor messages and strategies. You can build personas by identifying demographics such as age, location, and income, psychographics such as interests and values, and online behavior, figuring out where they engage most. For example, a vegan skincare brand might create a persona such as Sue, a 25 to 35-year-old eco-conscious woman who actively uses X and prefers sustainable products. She browses social media between 10 p.m. and 11:30 p.m., making this the prime time to reach her. A successful digital strategy also involves choosing the right mix of channels. These typically fall into three categories: owned media, earned media, and paid media. Owned media includes your website, blog, and social media accounts, where you control the content. Earned media consists of user-generated content such as reviews, shares, and mentions, building trust organically. Paid media involves ads on Google, social platforms, or through influencer partnerships, expanding your reach quickly. For example, a cosmetic company that combines how-to videos on their YouTube channel, encourages user-generated content through branded hashtags, and boosts visibility with influencer collaborations can be said to be using both owned and paid media channels. Data is the compass guiding your digital strategy. Setting up tracking tools such as Google Analytics and Social Media Insights helps you monitor performance. Defining key performance indicators or KPIs such as traffic, conversion rates, or engagement ensures you measure the right outcomes. Continuously optimizing your strategy based on this data improves results over time. For example, an online store tracks abandoned carts. They launch a retargeting email campaign recovering lost sales and improving conversion rates. Budgeting ensures your strategy remains financially sustainable. Planning your budget involves allocating funds for paid ads, content creation, and other resources. Defining roles within your team is equally important. Deciding who manages content, analytics, and campaign execution ensures smooth operations. For example, a fashion retailer allocates 30% of its budget to influencer campaigns, 40% to social media ads, and the remaining portion to content production, maximizing reach and engagement across different channels. Digital strategies are not static, they evolve. Implementing A/B testing allows you to compare variations of ads, content, or email subject lines to identify what performs best. Creating feedback loops helps you gather customer input and refine messaging based on their preferences. For example, a software company tests 2 email subject lines on a small sample. The version with higher open rates is then sent to the entire list, ensuring maximum impact with data-backed insights. In this video, you learned that an effective digital strategy is built on 3 pillars: foundation, alignment, and execution. Setting SMART goals ensures your strategy starts with clarity and purpose. Audience analysis helps craft personalized campaigns, while selecting the right digital channels ensures you engage customers where they are active the most. Data and analytics drive optimization, budgeting ensures sustainability, and continuous testing refines your efforts for maximum success. A strong digital strategy isn't just about using the right tools, it's about thoughtful planning, execution, and constant adaptation to achieve your business goals.